Hey y'all, welcome back to the Hebert house. Today we are picking strawberries, and then I'm going to show you how to make your own berry wash and my favorite summer salad. I am back and I have strawberries, so many strawberries. Strawberry picking was so much fun. That place is in North Augusta, South Carolina, which is right across the river from Augusta, Georgia, which is where we are located, and it's wonderful. This whole basket and picking them was $10.50, which I think is a great budget-friendly kids activity to do. So I had a lot of fun doing that with the dude, and now I have tons of strawberries. So I'm gonna do two things. One, I'm gonna show you how I clean all of my berries, and the wash that I usually put the berries in is water and vinegar, and then it helps them last a long time. Like my strawberries usually last like 2 weeks, which is really good. And then after that, I'm gonna put together my favorite summer salad for lunch and show you guys how to do that as well. So let's get started on washing the berries, and then we will make a salad with them. I start by washing out my sink really good. I'm using my Miss Meyer's Peony dish soap that I get from the Grove Collaborative. If you'd like to purchase it, I do have a link below where you can get $10 off. But I just clean my sink really good and get it ready to put the strawberry wash in. Then I'm going to fill my sink up about 3 inches with cold water, and I'm going to add 1 cup of white vinegar to the mix and mix it in. But be careful if you have any pearls on. My wedding set has a pearl in it, and white vinegar or vinegar at all can ruin pearls. So just be careful if you're wearing a pearl ring. Next, I'm going to add about half of the strawberries out of the bucket into the water mixture with the vinegar, and I am going to use a slotted spoon to stir it around. I got this one from the Dollar Tree, and it works really well because it's very big. Next, I will set the timer for 5 minutes and then just stir them a couple of times during that time. After 5 minutes, I will just take the strawberries out of the mixture and add them to a strainer and rinse them really well, and then I put them on the red towel to dry. I always use a red towel because they do stain if you put them on a different color. I do this with all of the berries, and then once they dry, I dry them off a little bit more, and then I store them in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Okay, so now I have washed all the berries and put them away, and now I'm going to show you my favorite summer salad. So these are the ingredients. I have almonds here, and these are just like organic almonds you get at like Fresh Market or Whole Foods. I have Panera balsamic vinaigrette. Let's see if I can get that to, there you go. I have baby spinach, organic truth, or Simple Truth organic baby spinach from Kroger. I also have this Simple Truth organic sharp white cheddar, and I have already shredded some. I do this at the beginning of the week because I love it. The other thing I have is obviously a cutting mat. This one is from Pampered Chef. Strawberries, a knife, and a bowl. So let's get started putting the salad together. So I start with spinach in my bowl, and then I just cut up the strawberries and add them to that. Next, I am going to add some almonds, and I just give them kind of a rough chop. I don't want them too big, but I also don't want them too small. Next, I'm going to add the cheese and some of the balsamic vinaigrette. You can also add a protein to this. It's really good with grilled chicken or with grilled shrimp. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was so fun to make, and I will see you next time. God bless.